We are no longer putting this off. And then Chucky's on arrival. Just like that, okay.
And we have you with it.
Good morning. We have a few errands to run today. I have an Airbnb checkout, so I'm just going to go prep for my cleaner. And Adley and I are going to fetch some flowers from the nursery we're planting in our front yard. I'm so excited. And I want to get a gym session in today and probably just grab some groceries. First things first is the Airbnb. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. Oh, it's got a new leaf even. That's so cute. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to go. I stripped all the bedding, stripped the mattress protector. Everything's pretty much ready for the clean on Sunday. The ocean is so flat today. Oh my goodness. This is the current garden situation. We bought this pot over the weekend. And we have this sand pit that we want to fill. Adner just got off work, so he's coming with African daisies. Look at the side for us. You got the purple one.
You need to take off the dead dates. Yeah? Okay. So the new ones can sprout.
Okay. Yay! I actually want to go to Sportsman's Warehouse. I need to get a foam roller. I was looking at this one because it's the hardest, but I don't think it's going to be as good as the one at the gym. I've got this one at home, 2 balls, which are quite good. I use that in the meantime. Look at these little weights. My fingers can do bicep curls with this. Who's here? You were in Sportsman's Warehouse? It's the foam roller that I need. Just wrapped up gym session. Bring salad tonight. It's actually only 3 left. Perfect. So I buy 2, get 1 free basically. Kind of snack. Okay, I think we're sorted. Got chicken, pizza, salad, and fruits and water. Just feed the dogs. Wait for it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. I can't even. Wow. This nachos is just fantastic. One of our favorite ones to do. So my mom and dad came over. What did you say, Dad?
I can bring my best outfit.
Oh, well, you still look lovely. And wasn't it from Cornelis? My dad's dad, and then in my dad's garden, also in my sister's garden, and now in our garden. Just like that, okay.
And we have you with it.
That branch on your right side, how is that going
This
to?
one here?
Yeah, how's it gonna? How is that gonna expand?
It's gonna go up.
Do you think it's enough, sorry? Do you think it's enough? So we're thinking, Dad, what are these called again? These pink ones? So 3 and 3. and then the African daisies. Okay. Daisies in the front and the back, and then the impatiens there, 3 and 3. This tree is just gonna keep going. Ooh. Baby got blush. Baby got black. I'm joking. I've been using this since my varsity days. I even wore it on my wedding day. That's so funny actually. Because obviously the makeup artist gives you lipstick, but it doesn't last throughout the day. So I had this on me. Come say hi.
You're great.
Thank you, baby. Mascara, I really like this one. Okay guys, that's as nude as it's gonna get. It's cold. Oh, it's either this coat or a black version of this. Probably goes the best. Yeah, black is a vibe. And then I've also got this one. All of these coats are from Woolworths, by the way. This is also nice. I don't know. Tell me which one. Why are you so sad? Because we're leaving.
Yeah, I think that works best.
Black.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then this is the bag. Forgot to take my towel. Thank you. Let's go get some Pokeballs. Happy dog. Thank you. We got a table right by the fire. I'm so happy about that. Our Pokeballs have arrived. We got salmon, we got sushi rice, strawberry, basically deconstructed sushi.
When you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you never love someone like I do.
Beautiful!
My name's Harry Honeys. I am an acoustic musician and singer.
Woo-hoo! Go. There you go. You look so cute. I've just added all of the final touches to the Airbnb. So I just thought I would give you a quick tour. So as you enter, you have a little kitchenette, fridge and microwave, and a dining table with some fresh roses and linchukkies on arrival. And this is your living area. I just put a YouTube video on of some drone footage of Cape Town. And this is the spare bedroom, little working space and a single bed. And this is the bathroom. We have a shower, bath, round mirror, which I love. And this is the master bedroom. Some cupboard space over there, and then you actually can exit onto the balcony. This is your balcony overlooking the neighbor's trees. And you have a nice seating section over there, and you can enter back in here. And I also love this map feature. I actually want to get one for our house, but firstly it's made out of wood and it's like got this 3D effect, you know. And then you can add these pins of where you've been. So I would love one of these for my house as well. Okay, we are no longer putting this off. Today we are planting the rest of the flowers. We're finishing off with the daisies. The sun is still out, so let's do it before it gets dark. We still need to do the daisies, but we're calling it for now. Yo. And we are finished. stage thanks to Adnu's hard work. I'm pretty sure it's just going to blend from here. Sorry about the bad lighting, but you'll just have to see it in the next vlog. And that's a wrap of my first official vlog for YouTube. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and if you enjoyed it, please do the things like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.